Hi, I'm An Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. I'm trying to make a tutorial on saving file. So, uh, you can you can name it as Project 001 instead of 01. Just in case you have over 99 files. If it's 100, it will put back up around here. When you have 20, it will go down instead of 100 go up. So always have extra 0 on your left hand side. At least can be more than 9, can contain 99. Backup project, the more zeros is maybe better. So what you do is new project and create project name underscore 001. And how you duplicate a project is by not doing this down inside a project. You don't save as down here, because what it does only is when you try to save the whole entire project folder, what it does is only creating a new scene. Only a new scene. So it's useless. So it's kind of useless. It's only creating a new scene. So delete this. So save it and exit it. So what you do is you can create new folder down here, kind of down here ish, or rename it, or kind of double click down here, rename project 3, and just save it as backup in your USB, like down here. So I think I finished my tutorial. That's how it works. Is create new project 03 by renaming it directly down here. And drag it to somewhere else. It's backup USB. In case I just thought I broke it down. So thank you.